So what is our yesterday's session?
Multiple and multiple inheritance, sir.
Okay. Anyone having any doubt in the multiple inheritance or multi-level inheritance?
No, sir.
No? If no, then
No,
we
sir.
will go with the other session like a hierarchical inheritance.
Okay, sir. You may go, sir.
Yeah, wait. Okay, okay, not this one. Hierarchical hierarchical inheritance dot py. It's the file. Wait guys, why keyboard is not working? Okay. Now, what is mean by hierarchical inheritance means here previously what we are doing, previously we are connected with multiple and multi-level inheritance, right? Multiple and multi-level inheritance. In this we
Yes.
will connect like this. Okay. Suppose this is like my A class, this is B class, okay, this is C class, and this is D class. So A class properties can be used by B class, C class, D class. Got it right guys? Simple like a, suppose assume this is a parent. Okay, this is a parent. Now this is like a child 1. Okay, child 1, child 2. Okay, child 1, child 2, and child 3. Okay, these three childs can use the parent properties, or if you are going with the 2 also it is fine. Like a 2 also use a parent class, means child 1 and child 2 can also use a parent class. That is called a hierarchical inheritance. Got it right guys? Simple guys. Previously what we
Yes,
done,
sir. Yes.
like a, this is like a b c. Okay, a b c. What we are doing, yeah, sorry. Like a previously for multi level inheritance, this is like A class, this is B class, this is a C class. So A class properties can be used in B class, B class properties can be used in C class. So this is level, this is a multi level. Okay, multiple inheritance means what? Okay, this is like a class and then this is a B class. These two classes can be utilized in a C class, right? Now only one parent, three childs. This is like a father and mother. Okay, I will write a father and mother. This is like a grandfather, father, and a child. Okay, grandchild also you can write. Now in this case, single parent, two three childs. Okay, two or three childs, or two childs one mother, like that also you can consider. So parent properties can be used by and any 3 4 classes. Okay, 3 4 classes, that is called a hierarchical inheritance. Got it right guys? Anyone having any doubt? Now how to implement that we will see now. First of all, I am going with class A. Okay, class A. Here def, just a minute guys, what happening? Wait guys, wait, some keyboard issue is going on. Okay, def here, yeah, present this much is enough anyway. Simply I am writing pass. Okay, after that I am writing one function. Okay, def function 1. Okay, function 1. This is not function guys, this is what, this is a method actually. Okay, this is a method. We need to write at least one keyword called self, one argument called self. Here I am writing one small print statement. Okay, this is a class, this is a class A method. Okay, control C, control V, control V. Now this is B and this is C class. Okay, here I am writing like a function 2. Okay, and my class is B class. Now this is like a C, sorry, C class method. Okay, now this much is fine. So we created three classes, right? We created three classes. We need to, okay, we need to import, or we need to inherit a class inside of B class and C class. Okay, a class inside B class and C class. That is called a hierarchical inheritance. So what I am doing, this is like a simple class writing, right? Now to inherit A, you need to write like this, and here also like this. Okay, now
Function 3.
which one? Function 3. Okay, thank you. If you are writing function 1 also, it will work. No issue. Why?
Okay,
Because
sir.
this is inside class, right? It will not throw any error. No, anyway. Right. I'm creating one object called C underscore obj. C underscore obj. Now, if I create object, what will happen? It will call to default constructor. Okay, here and here and here default constructor will be called. So just observe this one. Present we are giving only pass. So what we will get guys? We will not get any output. Python inside students directory, inside student directory, morning batch. Okay, morning batch 2. Inside morning batch 2, our folder name is classes. Inside classes, what is our file name? Python. Okay, Python hierarchical inheritance. Okay, .py. So it is worked fine. Okay, it is worked fine, but what happened? Okay, what happened? We are not writing any variables or any print statement, so we are unable to see whether default constructor is called or not. For that, just a minute. Control C, Control V. Now I am, instead of pass, I am writing print statement here. Okay, this is the A class default constructor. Okay, similarly, Control C, Control V, and here Control V. Okay, and this is like a C class, this is B class. Now observe this one, guys. Yeah, C class default constructor is called, right? Default constructor is called. Now, now I want to inherit, right? I want to inherit. So what I am doing here, b dot underscore underscore init self. Okay, here also like a not b, guys, sorry, it's like a we are inheriting. Here also a dot underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. So we are inheriting now. If you observe the output, yeah, a class default constructor called, due to inheritance we got sorry, C class inheritance default constructor we got, and a class default constructor we got because of inherit. Okay, we are inherited here, so we are getting this one. Now if I want to use, okay, if I want to use function 1, okay, function 1 in a C object, okay, function 1, okay, function 1. Now observe this one, guys. Okay, anyway, function 3 we can call directly. Okay, function 3 will not create any issue. First of all, observe this one, then after we will check function 1. Here, this is a this is C class method. Okay, this is C class method. Now I want a function 1 in a C object. Okay, sorry. Now control S. Yeah, if you observe little clearly, guys, these are the default constructor lines from both the classes. Okay, and this is a method from C class, and this is a method from A class. So due to inheritance I got this line. Okay, this line we will get anyway, but this line, okay, this is A class method line we got from inheritance. Got it? Okay, this is like a single inheritance, right? If we are taking one class in another class, that is like a single inheritance. But what is like a hierarchical inheritance means? Now, okay, now I'm creating one more class. Okay, one more object, not a class, one more object. Okay, that is the B object. Okay, B object. Now, after creating this, okay, after creating this, how many times A class will be called, guys? Any guesses? If you observe, okay, is it font is visible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, previously for C class or for C object, we got these two lines, right? If you observe here, for C class, we got these two lines. Okay, now for B class, okay, for B class, and B is B having inheritance of A, right? Means A is inherited in B. So because of that, we got these two lines. Okay, in other inheritance we will not get like this, guys. There will be like a line by line only, like a C B A, like that we will get. But in a hierarchical inheritance, what we are doing, we are calling or we are inheriting A class in a two classes. Okay, that is B and C. Because of that reason, for C class we got these two lines, for B class we got these two lines. Got it, guys? Are having doubt?
So got it.
Okay, now we will call, okay, we will call B object, okay, B object dot what is my function? Function 1. Okay, function 1 in a B class we are calling. Okay, here from C class we are calling here B underscore obj. First I can call function 2. Okay, function 2, then after function 1. Now observe the output, guys. Okay, just give me a second. What I will do, simple dividing lines I am writing. Now, okay, observe this one, guys. So what happened for C class? Okay, for C class inheritance of A, we got these two default constructors. Okay, default constructor. Then we called two methods, right? Two methods. Because of that reason, we got a C method and A method. And next for B object. Okay, for B object, we got a two default constructor. One is from B class and one is from A class. Okay, and here we called two methods. Okay, that is like a B method and A method. Are you understanding, right, guys? A method is called here also and here also. So indirectly, this is what our diagram, right? Okay, you can write more number of classes, guys. But this is like a parent. Okay, this is child one and a child two. Okay, child two. These class, okay, parent class properties we are using in child class. Okay, and in child class two also. Okay, this is about hierarchical inheritance, guys. Now we will go with one more example so that you will understand a little more clearly. Control A, no, Control A, Control C, hierarchical inheritance 2.5. Okay, now instead of class A and class B, class C, we implement like a whatever example we discussed, right? Like that only we will do this one. Okay, child one, and this is like a child two. Okay, inside a child one, what do we record as parent class. Okay, and in here also parent class. Okay, and this is like a in case of parent class. Okay, and this is like a child one, child one, child two, child two. Okay, and here also parent, parent. Now got it right, guys? Anyone having any doubt? Any mistake we are doing? No. Yeah. So what I will do, I will create this as a child 2. Okay, child 2. Okay, function names we not changed, so these are fine. Okay, capital C I used or what? Okay, now it is fine. Okay, instead of B, I'm writing child 1. Okay, remaining all are fine, guys. Observe the output. Okay, not this one. Python inheritance. Okay, not inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, right? Hierarchical. What is that, guys? Hierarchical. Fine only. Python hierarchical inheritance 2.5. Yeah, if you observe, okay, if you observe, this is like a from child 2. from child 2 we called a parent class. Okay, here from child 1. Okay, from child 1 we called a parent class. Okay, here child class using his own method and he is also using parent method, and here also same child 1 using his own method and parent method also. Got it right, guys? Is it little clear or still having any doubt?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah, like this. The next inheritance. Okay, the next inheritance is wait, hierarchical completed multiple hybrid inheritance. Okay, now hybrid inheritance dot y. Okay, now just a minute, guys. Control A, control C, control V. Before going to hybrid inheritance, I want to show small diagram. This one, hybrid inheritance in Python. Now, yeah. So, if you observe this one, okay. First of all, we are having, what is this? Up to this, what inheritance is this? What inheritance is this? Okay, the box which I mentioned, right? Or now tell me, what is this inheritance? From base class, okay, we are writing derived classes. Okay, guys, someone will call like base class, someone will call like a parent class, someone will call like a class. Okay, remember the concept. Okay, don't stick with the names. Now tell me, this is like a hierarchical inheritance, right? This is hierarchical inheritance. Why? One parent, okay, one parent. This is like a assume child 1, okay, child 1, and this is like a child 2. Okay, child 2. Okay, so this is what hierarchical inheritance we are doing. Now if you observe little clearly, okay, if you observe little clearly, now this is, okay, which I given in a red mark. Okay, which I given in red mark. What is this, guys? Multiple inheritance, right? Okay, in a multiple inheritance what we are doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One parent class. Okay, this is like a parent or father. Okay, parent or father. Okay, and this is like a mother. Okay, mother. So this is like a child. Okay, child can use pay father class properties and mother class properties. Now by using all this, okay, all this is called a hybrid inheritance. Okay, hybrid inheritance. Anyway, this mentioned here. Got it right, guys? Anyone having any doubt? So
Got it, sir.
mixing of a multiple inheritance and hierarchical inheritance called hybrid inheritance. Okay. Now control 7. So what I'm doing is I'm saving this for you. Just give me a second. Hybrid inheritance. Okay. Now we want to implement this, right? So this is like a hybrid inheritance dot py. So anyway, yeah, we will split that and we will connect once again. Delete this one. Now, first of all, which one is multiple inheritance, right? What is mean by multiple inheritance? Yes, you need to tell. So I created, okay, I am creating A class, okay, A class and B class, okay, B class. Now I am inheriting, okay, I am inheriting A, B in a C class, okay, A, B in C class. Now A comma B, okay. Now here I don't want the inheritance, okay, okay. These are fine. These are fine. Like a child one, child two also we can write. Now if we observe, okay, if we observe, this is like a A class and B class we are inherited in a C class. Okay, C class. When we inherit, okay, when we inherit that, we will get A class properties and B class properties or B class methods we can use. Okay, we can use in C class. Now we will check that. Then after we will go further. Okay. Now this is like a my C class object. Okay, I created C class object. Observe the output, guys. Yeah. Okay, wait. The file name is Python hybrid inheritance dot not jpg dot py. Okay, so if you observe it clearly, okay, so child 2, okay, then after parent, okay, then child 1 or something like a, I will modify the names so that you will understand very clearly. This is like a my A class, okay, A class, and this is like a B class. This is like a C class. Now, yeah, we got a C class default constructor and A class default constructor and B class default constructor. Why? Because inside C class we are inherited AB. Okay, AB we inherited. This is called a what? Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. But now what we want? We want a hybrid inheritance, right? For that, okay, I am creating. Okay, I am creating one more this one class that is called class D. Okay, class D. Inside class D, I want to inherit, okay, I want to inherit C class and A class. Okay, anyway, inside C class already A class is there. So what I will do, I will create one more class which is not inherited in these classes. Okay, class E, okay, class E, control C, and not this one, I will take this one, control C. Okay, now class E, class E. Now C and E. Okay. C and E colon. Okay. Colon. Okay. This is like a D class. D method. Now, if you observe this one, okay, what is my hybrid inheritance class? This is like a D class. Why? Because we are having, okay, we are having multiple inheritance in a C class, and in a D class, I am having C class and E class. So this is like a what class, guys? Just now informed. Like a hierarchical and multiple level classes, multiple inheritances are there. So we will get a exact output by calling like this. Now observe the output, guys. Okay, this is like a D class default constructor. Wait, guys, whether we saved or not. Yeah. Okay. Wait. C dot init self and E dot init self. Okay. Yeah. What happened, guys? Like all five classes is called. Okay. So first of all, what we are doing, we are calling C D class. Okay, D class. Then D inherited with C. So C we got inside C we inherited AB. So we got this AB, and E is our separate class. We got a E class also. E class also like this we will get the default constructors. Okay, up to now we are able to call default constructor, but we want to use methods, right? We want to use methods from D class. Okay, D class we can use any method, we can use any method. If that is working, then only we can say that this is a hybrid inheritance, right? From D class, if we are able to use any class method, that is called a hybrid inheritance. Now, okay, here I am changing the object D object. Okay, you can write any name, guys. Little clearly to understand, I am writing D object. Okay, you can write your name also, it is fine. D underscore obj. Okay, obj function 2. Okay, function 2 related which one? Yeah, wait, function 3. Here I am modifying little like a in method I am changing. Okay, this is like a function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4, function 5. Yeah, it's a very good way. Now I want to call, first of all I want to call d object function. Okay, d object function. Okay, that is like a function 5. Okay, function 5. Now, yeah, I got a d method. Okay, d method I got a very fine, no issue. Now control C. Now I want to call. Okay, now I want to call D class to the first class is what, guys? C class. Okay, C class inside I am having function 3. Okay, function 3 I am having. So what I want to function 3 I want. Okay, function 3. Function 3. Now observe this one, guys. Okay, all default constructor section is here. Okay, this is the default constructor calling section. So this is not required as present. So now we will go with the we called D method and C class method from here. Okay, C class method from here. So that is working very fine. Now I want to call. Okay, I want to call D obj. Okay, D underscore obj. Okay, inside which function I want? I want a C class we call, right? I want to know function 2. Okay, I want a function 2. Okay, now after function 2 I want a D underscore obj. Okay, function 1. Okay, why? Because these two are coming like a hierarchical inheritance. Okay, now anyway we will see all the classes at a time only, we will not take much time. Control C, control V. Now, okay, just wait, guys. This is from D class. Okay, this is from C class. Okay, this is from B class. Okay, and this is from A class. Okay, and what else we are missing? D underscore obj function 5. Okay, so E class object. Okay, E class also we are calling from here. Now control S. Yeah, guys, I only differentiated with the lines, but that is not given different lines. So anyway, these two related to, okay, these two related to C class and D class methods, and the first one we called. Next, these two are like a inheritance of a multi-level or multiple. Okay, why E class not called? Just a minute. Okay, control. Okay, wait, guys. This is like a D class, E class. Okay, which one function 4 we not called? Okay, wait. D underscore obj function 4. Yeah, yeah, guys. Now, now for creating of object, okay, for creating of object, we got these all lines. Why? Because these all are inherited in a D class. Okay, we are having like inheritance in D class. So because of that reason only, all class default constructors are called. Okay, default constructors are called. So because of that reason we got these lines. Now after that I am calling function 5. Okay, function 5. So function 5 is what? This is like a D class method. Okay, class D method. This is like a class D method. We got this one. Next we are calling like a function 3. Okay, function 3 is related to C class. After that again I am calling function 2. Okay, function 2, this is like a related to B. Function 1 related to A. Okay, and function 4 related to E. Okay, again function 5 related to D. Like this we will get the output, guys. Okay, this is about inheritance. Okay, this is about inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Anyone having any doubt? Guys, are you there?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now you can create any complex hybrid inheritances, guys. This is like a one small hybrid inheritance, but when we are working with the actual project, there will be different classes inherited in a different this one. So I am giving small assignment. Okay, small assignment for you. Assignment now. Okay, first of all I am writing. Okay, here B class. Okay, and here like a class. Okay, A class. This is like a C class. Note down the names also, guys. I want this one. Okay, then after I want one more class here. Okay, one more class here, that is like a D class. Okay, after this what I want, I want one more inheritance. Okay, this is like a C D E. Okay, E, and I want here like a F. Got it, guys? And
Yes.
F, above F I want okay, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, This one I want, guys. Can you try this? Okay. Anyway, please take the snapshot of this. Still, I will share this one. Control, not control is not working. Anyway, okay. Till now, we completed like a inheritance, guys. Okay. Just a minute. I am opening the syllabus. Okay. Now, control 3. Okay. Self keyword completed, right, guys? Encapsulation completed. All inheritance is completed, right? Single inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical, multiple, hybrid. These all are completed, right? Now super keyword also completed, right? Anyone having any doubt?
Sir, if you have any doubt, I will ping you in.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Now we are having this one called abstract class. Okay. Uh, okay, no issue. Control 7, control 2. Okay, abstract class we are having. Okay, after that decorators. Yeah, guys, no issue. What we will do, this is like a little different topic. Abstract class and decorators are a little different concept. So what we will do, we will stop the session here only. Okay, we'll stop the session here only. We will continue from tomorrow, like a abstract class means this one, differences between abstract class and an interface abstraction and abstract methods. Then after we will go with the decorators, like that. This will take this week, guys. Classes will take this week. Maybe today is what, on Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday or Thursday.
Wednesday, sir.
Yeah, it is like a Wednesday. No, guys, anyway, this will be completed in this week. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, in 3 days this will be completed. Classes topic will be completed within 3 days. We will try. Okay, not like I will try to finish. We will try. Then after we will go with the database, multi-threading concepts. Okay, no issue, guys. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ping to Vinay or ping in a Skype. Okay,
Okay,
you
okay,
have
sir.
Skype ID, right? My Skype ID.
Yeah, yeah.
So please ping in a Skype ID so that we will discuss there.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks.